Tired of telling people your website address or contact info over and over? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own QR code in seconds. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and search for a free QR code generator. There are tons of options, so pick one that looks reputable and user-friendly. For this tutorial, I am selecting the QR code generator on Kurcodemaki.com, but you can use any free tool. Now, decide what kind of information you want to encode in your QR code. Most generators let you choose from options like website URL, text, contact information, phone number, SMS message, email address, and even social media links. For this example, let's create a QR code that links to a website. I'll select the URL option and then type in the website address I want the QR code to point to, which is youtube.com. Most generators also let you customize the design of your QR code. You can usually change the colors, add a logo in the center, or adjust the shape of the squares. Let's click Customize Design to modify the QR code. I'm going to upload a YouTube logo so the design better matches my brand. Once you're happy with the information and design, simply click the Generate QR Code or similar button. And there you have it. Your QR code is ready. Most generators will give you options to download the QR code in various formats like PNG, JPG, or SVG. Download the QR code to your computer, then you can add it to your business cards, flyers, website, or anywhere else you want to share information quickly and easily. And that's it. You've successfully created your own QR code. Now go out there and start sharing your information the smart way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. See you in the next one.